Hi, the default resistor symbol in LTSPICE is a zig-zag line. This symbol is often used in the US, but in Europe it might be used to the rectangular resistor. In this video, I will show you quickly how to change this default symbol to the European one. First, go to your documents and then the LTSPICE directory. Then do Library and then the symbol folder. Look for the file called res. Rename it to res backup or something to back it up. Then go to the miscellaneous folder and look for European resistor. Copy it and paste it in the symbol folder. Rename it to res. Now boot LTSPICE and notice how the symbol has changed. The same can also be done to the inductor, capacitor and diode symbols if you're not happy with those either. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if this video was useful, and see you in the next one. Bye!